Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to disable this Adobe Genuine Service Alert. Okay, this is annoying alert every time, right? When I'm working on any Adobe applications, I'm getting this error. So simply I'm going to disable this. How to do it? It's very simple. So what you need to do is in two ways you can do it. First, you can end task this on Task Manager. So go to Task Manager. Okay, here you can see this is the culprit actually annoying. Select and you can right click and give end task. Okay, this is one method. Another one is go to services. Go to services. Okay, and here you can see Adobe Genuine Software Monitor Service. So here you can just click on that and here right click and then stop it. Once you stopped it, it will not be annoying. So even under properties you can check it's stopped actually. Okay, or you can even pause it. So don't click on start. Okay, if you start it again, then it will be annoying again. So you can see the path of the program. So that also you can delete it actually if you want. For example, here I'm going to select, copy, go to that locations, and here, so AGM service is the exe file which is running. So this one, right, you can click and delete it. So now it's removed. So this is a genuine launcher that also you can delete if you want. So that's it friends, this is the way you can disable the client service of Adobe in Windows PC. So that's it friends, hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you, bye and take care.